It's important to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. Once you have skills added, you can reorder them at any time. To do this, navigate to the Skills section of your LinkedIn profile. From here, click on the pencil icon to edit it. Notice that LinkedIn pins your top 3 skills at the top of this section, notified by the blue pin icons. You can determine which 3 you want to be pinned by clicking on these icons. To remove one from your top skills, click on the blue pin. To add another skill to your top 3 skills, find that skill and click on the icon. You can also reorder skills within this section. To do so, go to the right to the 4 lines icon, click, and drag to where you'd like that skill to appear. Once you're done, click Save, and you've made changes to your skills section.